The Knot gives you a lot of resources to find things like wedding dresses, vendors, and articles, and you can easily save them to your online notebook to find later and share with friends and family. Let me start by searching for a wedding dress. You can narrow down your search here by style of dress, or search for popular dresses, or even a specific designer. Once you find some dresses you like, just click on the little heart to add it to your favorites. This is also going to add it to your notebook under the dresses section. You can add as many as you like. If you click on the image, you'll see more information about the dress and be able to find a store nearby that sells it. You can also save vendors to your notebook. Click on Local Resources and then select the type of vendor you're looking for. I'll choose flowers. Then select your location and click on the vendors that interest you, and then save to Notebook. This makes it easy to bookmark vendors if you want to think about booking them. And you can do the same for honeymoon ideas. Just select one that looks good to you, and then save it to your notebook. It's just like saving ideas. You can do the same for bridesmaids' dresses, tuxedos, even jewelry and accessories. To access your notebook, just click on the notebook icon, and then you can sort through everything you've saved. You can also email these to friends and family so they can give you advice. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in Planning Your Wedding Online with the Knot series.